Hi, this is Christy, here to talk with you about Bay Photo Gallery boards. This is a beautifully simple product with a fine art feel and an economical price point. It's perfect for creating quick displays or slipping into an existing frame. We print your artwork directly onto a 4-ply textured mat board, which is about 3 millimeters thick. Gallery boards are available in 8 sizes, from 4x6 to 11x14, with 6 optional border widths to help draw attention to your work while showing off the texture. Our display options include bamboo stands for the table and Velcro dots for the wall. Bamboo stands are eco-friendly and pair perfectly with gallery boards because the print itself is made from 100% recycled material. We always include 4 Velcro dots per gallery board so that you can take your print straight from the packaging to the wall. Gallery boards are thick enough to make them more durable, but thin enough to pop right into an existing frame. If you like what you see, head over to bayphoto.com to place your order or visit our chat room where we have live reps standing by to answer any questions that you might have. And I'll see you there.